This is a tutorial on how to accomplish your company details. Once you access the Magnus Job Fair system, the first thing you need to do is complete your company details. When you click the Company Details menu, here you can provide the information needed about the company, company logo, company billing information, directory summary contact person, billing and collection contact details, documents, and purchase order details. The first part is about the company. Fill out your company information and ensure that there are no mistakes, because this will be visible to the public. Next, choose the option that is applicable to your address. Provide us with your contact number, company email, your website, and your social media link. Insert a short description of your company profile, 1 or 2 paragraphs will do. If you have any special instruction about your company, you can indicate them here. Special instructions can only be viewed by Magnus handlers. Lastly, click the Browse button to insert your logo. The next portions can only be viewed by you, your other colleague with access, and Magnus. Next is the billing information, wherein you have to include your company's tax identification number and indicate if your company is vatable or non-vatable. If non-vatable, you have to indicate the document details for non-VAT. If PASA, you must add your PASA certificate number and date issued. This should be updated yearly. If your company has a certificate of tax exempt, you must add the certificate of tax exempt number and date issued. Usually this is valid for 3 years. If it is indicated on your BIR 2303, you must provide the certificate number and date issued. Make sure to upload the proof at the document section, which I will show you later on. If you have knowledge that your company is deducting withholding tax, please indicate it here. If not, leave it, and we will fill out the details once we confirm it with your finance team. Indicate your mode of payment and preferred billing delivery. And tick the box if your company is requiring purchase order before activation. Next is the directory summary. As a contact person, kindly complete your details, input your name, your status as active, your department, position, branch or office address, your mobile number, assigned company mobile if any, landline, and extension number. Enter the time you are available for calling, as well as your primary email address, secondary email address, and any additional remarks. If you want additional access for your manager, supervisor, teammate, or your associate, just click Add and encode the details needed. Inform your handler so we can send them the access link. This will be multiple access for your company. Those with access can get in touch with us in case you are not around or they want to request our service. Next is the billing and collection contact details. The contact details here are the info of your finance or accounting department. Add the contact person, indicate the position and the department, include the billing address, the primary email, secondary email, the mobile number, company mobile number, landline, and extension if any. Then indicate its collection info, select in-house or third party, and schedule of payment retrieval. Provide the payment collection address and add remarks if any. Next, check or tick the necessary information regarding the role of the contact person. If you want your statement of account billed to a certain person within your company, check Authorized Signatory or Billed to option. The name with Authorized Signatory or Billed to will be included on your statement of account. Some details may be omitted, like the contact details of the signatory, if it is confidential. Add a contact person for the billing. This is the person in charge when we deliver the statement of account. If you are the person in charge, please add your details at the billing and collection contact details and check billing. Next, add an assigned contact person for payment and collection follow-up. BIR 2307 withholding tax is usually deducted by some companies. If your company is deducting withholding tax, please add the contact person assigned. There are times one person is assigned to handle billing, collection of payment, and 2307, so you just have to check all that applies. Last is the uploading of documents. This is to ensure that we are transacting to a legit company. Most of the documents are part of the requirements needed by the Department of Labor and Employment in securing job fair permit. Click the Browse button to upload your document and select your document type, either one time or yearly. You must upload the following documents. For one time, SEC/DTI, BIR registration 2303, DOL 1020, company profile in Word or PDF format, and purchase order number file if applicable. And for yearly, updated business permit, PACE certificate if applicable, certificate of tax exempt, and make sure to access this Philippine JobNet government portal sign-in. Provide your job vacancies. Take a screenshot of your job vacancies from this site and upload it at the document section of Magnus Job Fair system. This is part of the requirement for the Department of Labor and Employment in conducting job fair events. In the remarks section below, indicate the name or the type of document you uploaded. This will serve as the file name of the document you submit. If your company requires a purchase order prior to activation, you must upload the purchase order document here as one time. And accomplish the purchase order detail, PO number, amount, date stated in PO, and remarks. In the remarks section, indicate the name or type of document you uploaded. This will serve as the file name of the document you submitted. And that's all you have to do to complete your company details. Got any questions? Let me help you. Feel free to contact us.
Basta job fair, Magnus Eventos yan!